Routine maintenance of a system is a regular checkup for a system. Routine maintenance involves looking for common problems, solving them, and cleaning the HVAC system. We should check the system just like a doctor checks for any health issues and gives tablets to solve them. We perform operational checks to ensure that the system works properly. The system should work as per the manufacturer's instructions. During maintenance, we need to ensure that the system is working correctly, it is operating safely, the fuel and electricity bills are efficient and optimal, and the equipment has prolonged life. Recall that ductwork is a closed pathway made of